Okay, now we're on to Industrial Zone. Now I know this level is somewhat good, but not the best. Um, yeah. Well, it doesn't matter anyways, cause like I know the secret exit really well. It's like the first way I played this map. Back when I played it with Brutal Doom, when I marathoned all of Doom 2, and a little bit of TNT before I got bored of it. With Brutal Doom. I don't know if that was the best decision I ever made. My first blind playthrough is with Brutal Doom being incredibly confused, jumping around, but anyways. Oh, I took a big hit there. It's not the best. Okay. So I gotta drop in that little pit there. Is there any more health I can get around here? I can get that rocket launcher. No. Okay. I wonder if there's a partial invisibility in this map. Also, that guy just kind of like died. I know, he got hit by someone else, but it just looks like he just fell over and died. And then we dropped down. No, I just don't want to marinate in there too long. Okay, now go. Okay, please. Oh god, this room is just being filled up with lost souls. Oh no. Okay. Nope, that's not where I want to be. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. That's how I died last time. I just kind of fell in the acid and I didn't know where to go. Or not the acid, the lava. Oh god, there's so many. Okay, well at least they're not spewing anymore. Oh no, please don't start infighting. Okay. I might want to go get that soul sphere on my right. I just hope I don't get chipped away too much. Aha! Oh, I am really running low on ammo. No! Oh my god! Go, go, go! Oh! Okay. I'll get the mega armor too, just to try to keep as much health. It's not really needed considering, I am about to just go get some, it's fine. Okay, I think I pulled a switch at least. Yeah, that's fine. Go, go, go. I'll probably have enough time. I don't need to rush too bad. Yeah, alright. Level's over. We did it, lads. Okay, I don't know why I did that so intense. Probably because I didn't just go dip straight in the acid. Okay. Shoot! I went too far. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no!